Hey, Dan from howistayfit.com. One question I've been asked a few times is, can I gain muscle and lose fat at the same time? The answer is yes. I see this all the time actually. It's what's commonly referred to as a body recomposition. Often people who tend to weigh themselves a lot, they might get kind of frustrated that the scales don't seem to be moving. And I say, okay, well, take body measurements, take progress pictures, see how differently clothes fit. And they begin to realize that the scales aren't moving because their body weight's staying the same, but they are losing body fat and replacing that lost body fat with gained muscle. Now, this does tend to be more common in people who are less experienced in training. So I'll be honest, the more time you've spent training, like if it's a matter of years, it becomes more difficult to gain muscle while losing body fat at the same time. So in that case, if you are more experienced at training, then you might be better off at just picking one goal. So focus a period on just muscle gain or focus a period on purely fat loss. But yes, it is definitely possible. Hey guys, just a reminder to sign up for my free 14-day challenge, the Doughnut Diet, where over 14 days I will teach you the flexible dieting system I use to lose body fat, gain muscle and tone up, all while still getting to eat my favorite junk food. So click on the link, sign up, and I can't wait to have you with me.